Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? In this video, we will talk about the expected price target of Stellar XLM and what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, and what's the opinion. Everything we will discuss in this quality video. So kindly you need to watch this video completely to understand better. And remember, my brothers, to don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type best contents, please. Alright, my brother. First of all, we need to understand what's the update of Stellar XLM. So my brother, there is no big update available on webs, my friend. I already searched it on my friend Stellar website and Twitter, everywhere, but this time you can see I will give you the price, the change occurring target update. So kindly you need to understand this what I talked with the last 1 hour change. As you can see, my brother, plus 4%. It's a very huge profit, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming time, if they will take a hour by hour this type profit. So I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will easily hit now 100 USD dollar just in only, my friend, in 1 to 2 weeks now. But this is very hard, my brother. So you can see my last 1 day chart is on the screen, and you can see, my brother, 1 day change occur plus 5.44%, last 7 days plus 26.82%, and it's a very good profit, my brother. Definitely a lot of coins very badly falls down, but this is going to be very good now. Congratulations. Stellar XLM, you can see, my brother, just in only we need, my brothers, to take my friends make a target for a Stellar XLM to we understand to upcoming time they will hit this easily or impossible to they will hit now. So first of all, last 1 month chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing, my brother, the highest points now. You can see this both line is going to be equal now, and I'm so happy to see this. You can see, my brother, after a very huge fail, you can see they will take a very good jump now, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will also give you a very good profit, but just only you need to, my brother, hold. So please, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good, my friend, and excellent work for you, my brothers, to you invest now, please. But remember, my brothers, to one thing I want to tell you, to in upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will fail us down more and more, but definitely, my friend, at the end of month every coin, my friend, will move upward now. So I know to Stellar XLM will be also moving in upward direction. So thanks for watching, Stellar XLM holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please remember to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.